Hi everyone, I'm Veeina, your Science Lab TV host for today. Guess what? I built my very own special torchlight and it's super cool. Want to see it in action? Please follow me. Check it out. Press the button and it's on. Off it, on it. Just like a real torchlight. Now, I'm going to show you how to make one simple electric circuit. First, let's talk about how this torchlight works. It's all about electric circuit. A circuit is a path that electricity travels through on power things. Can you guess where I hit my circuit? It's right here, inside my torchlight. Step 1. Connect the battery. This is the power source that makes everything go. Step 2. Add the switch. This lets me control the power on or off. Step 3. Attach the LED light. Step 4. Put it all inside my torchlight craft. Ta-da! This is the torchlight. Battery, LED, switch, and torchlight. Pretty awesome, right? Thanks for joining me in Science Lab TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!